Sorry guys, I hit the button by accident. So I showed you the light already. This light just burns out like that, but I know what you're talking about. I just made a mistake. I know. Thank you really much for watching and subscribe. And I know, guys, I know, but today is not Memorial Day. It's almost summertime, and I'll do all the things all day. Well, not all day, but guys, thank you for watching and subscribe now. And I know about your time. Guys, subscribe and bye-bye.